Fuel your body. Right, welcome to day 21. It's all about giving your body the good stuff. We're talking delicious, easy recipes that make you feel amazing. Today we've got a fantastic lineup for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Get ready to enjoy a day filled with flavor and nutrition. Let's get cooking. Kickstart your day spiced apple and carrot breakfast bowl. Start your day with a breakfast bowl bursting with flavor and goodness. This spiced apple and carrot breakfast bowl is packed with fiber, vitamins and a touch of sweetness to keep you energized all morning. This recipe is super easy to make. You'll need rolled oats, grated apple, shredded carrot, cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. Simply cook the oats with water or your favorite milk. Then stir in the apple, carrot and spices. It's that simple. Top it off with fresh berries, a dollop of yogurt or a drizzle of honey. This breakfast bowl is a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your body for the day ahead. Enjoy! Lunchtime Delight 1. Flavor-packed stuffed bell peppers. For lunch, let's dive into these vibrant stuffed bell peppers. This recipe is a feast for the eyes and the stomach. It's packed with protein, fiber and essential nutrients. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. Use any ground meat or plant-based alternative you prefer. Start by halving the bell peppers and scooping out the seeds. Brown your choice of ground meat in a pan. Add diced onions, garlic and your favorite spices like cumin, paprika and chili powder. Mix in cooked quinoa or rice for a hearty filling. Stuff the pepper halves with the mixture and bake until tender. These colourful peppers are not only delicious but also a great source of vitamins and antioxidants. Enjoy them warm, straight from the oven for a satisfying and nutritious lunch. Lunchtime Delight 2. Mediterranean Chickpea Salad Adventure. Craving something light and refreshing? This Mediterranean chickpea salad is the answer. Bursting with fresh flavours and textures, this salad is a breeze to prepare and perfect for a quick and satisfying lunch. Simply toss together canned chickpeas, chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion and fresh parsley. Whisk together a simple lemon vinaigrette and drizzle it over the salad. That's it. This salad is packed with plant-based protein, fiber and healthy fats, making it a nutritious and delicious choice. Serve it on a bed of lettuce or in a whole wheat pita for a complete meal. Dinner Delight 1. Sweet potato and chickpea curry dreams. Tonight, let's transport your taste buds to India with this fragrant and flavorful sweet potato and chickpea curry. This dish is incredibly comforting, packed with plant-based protein and fiber and bursting with aromatic spices. Start by sautéing onions, garlic and ginger. Add diced sweet potatoes, chickpeas and a blend of curry powder, turmeric and cumin. Simmer in coconut milk until the sweet potatoes are tender. This curry is a breeze to make and perfect for a cozy night in. Serve this aromatic curry with a side of fluffy basmati rice or naan bread for a satisfying and flavorful dinner. It's sure to become a family favorite. Dinner Delight 2 Lemon Garlic Herb Roasted Cauliflower Steaks. For a lighter yet equally delicious dinner option, try these flavorful lemon garlic herb roasted cauliflower steaks. This recipe transforms humble cauliflower into a show-stopping main course. Cut thick steaks from a head of cauliflower. Whisk together a marinade of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and your favorite herbs like rosemary, thyme, and oregano. Coat the cauliflower steaks in the marinade and roast until tender. These cauliflower steaks are incredibly flavorful, low in calories, and packed with nutrients. Serve them with a side of roasted vegetables or a simple salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Refresh and rejuvenate. Minty lemon water. Stay hydrated throughout the day with this refreshing minty lemon water. It's a simple yet flavorful way to increase your water intake and enjoy the invigorating taste of mint and lemon. Simply slice a lemon and muddle fresh mint leaves in a pitcher, add cold water and let it infuse in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This revitalizing drink is perfect for any time of day and a healthy alternative to sugary beverages. Enjoy! Day 21 Meal Plan, a celebration of flavor and wellness. Congratulations on reaching day 21. You've enjoyed a day filled with delicious and nutritious meals that nourish your body from the inside out. Each recipe is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support your overall well-being. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or complicated. These recipes prove that you can enjoy flavorful and satisfying meals while fueling your body with the nutrients it needs. Simple ingredients, extraordinary taste. One of the best things about these recipes is that they use simple, accessible ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. We believe that healthy eating should be easy and enjoyable, not stressful or expensive. So gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and let's get cooking. Embrace the joy of cooking. You've got this. We hope these recipes inspire you to get creative in the kitchen and discover the joy of cooking healthy and delicious meals. Remember, cooking is a journey, not a race. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new flavors, and make these recipes your own. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the process.